Okay, so good day, grade 4. So our lesson for today is all about reading and writing decimal numbers. Okay, so as a short recap, so this is our whole number. So itong mga numbers na to is what we call the whole number. So the 2, 1, and 9. So this is whole numbers. Now, these numbers or this digit, so ito naman yung ating tinatawag na decimal numbers. Decimals. Okay. So since alam na natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila, wherein the whole number is yung nasa left side and yung decimals is nasa right side. Now, let us discuss the place value. So if you still remember for the whole number, so the place value of this digit sa ating whole number, yan. So the number 9 is the ones. So nasa ones place siya. And then the number 1, so the number 1 is nasa tens. And yung ating number 2 is the hundreds. Hundreds. So this is our whole number or the place value of our whole number. And if you notice, we have here a point which is decimal point. So this is the decimal point. So decimal point, it separate the whole number and the decimals. So siya yung nagsiseparate between these two numbers, the whole numbers and the decimal numbers. And this decimal point is read as end. So binabasa natin siya as end, not point or not decimal point, but it read as end. Now, let's talk about the place value of the decimals. So for decimals, place value and yon. So we will start here at 0. So the place value of 0 is tenths. And as you notice, hindi tayo nag-start by ones unlike sa whole number. Because nasa decimals numbers na tayo. So it starts with the tenths followed by the hundreds. Then the number 2 is the thousands. And last is yung ating 10 thousands. Okay. Now, adjust tayo. So, take note. So, note this. The place value for the whole numbers ends with letter S. So, ends with So kung mapapansin natin, the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, so nagtatapos siya or it ends with the letter S. While in our decimal places or decimal numbers, it ends with THS. So nagtatapos naman yung ating decimals with the letters THS. So tenths ends with THS, hundreds ends with THS, the thousands ends with THS, the 10,000s ends with THS, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, let's proceed in reading and writing decimals. So I will copy the example or the given number. So the 219. So when we write this in symbols, so ganito yung kakalabasan niya. So this is symbol form. Now, what if I will write it into letters or by letters? So meron tayong 219. Oops. 19. 219. And, so itong end na to, ito yung ating decimal point because kanina, decimal point read as end. So 219 and 219 and 320. So 320. And please indicate the place value of our decimals. So if we have here the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, so therefore we will write it 10,000s. And it is read as 219 and 320 10,000s. So that's all for today, grade 4. So napakadali lang. So yun lang, goodbye.